So the question is, I received a letter that my case is in administrative processing. What does that mean? And so typically you have requests for additional evidence that comes from USCIS, and then administrative processing, or a case being in administrative processing, will come from the Department of State. And what they're really saying is that there's something particular about your case which we need to take a closer look at, and whether that's, you know, your background check hasn't come in yet, or there's a part of your background which we discovered which we need to take a closer look at. So whatever that specific thing is, it generally means that your case will be delayed, okay? And the delay could be 60 days, could be a little longer, and sometimes the current Trump government is using that tactic to delay visas indefinitely, especially from countries that, you know, have had, you know, potential terrorist ties, or there have been people of a terrorist nature. And so the good news is that administrative processing at least does not mean that your visa was denied. And so it just means that you just need to wait a little longer. If you have any other questions or comments on administrative processing, you know, feel free to post it in the comments below. If you like what you're listening and viewing here, give us a thumbs up or share it with friends that need it. And ultimately, if you need anything, just let us know. Thank you.